Hello everyone, welcome to the Meg Draft and Strength. Today's session is on how to draw the ellipse by arc of circle method. First of all, we see some theoretical part about ellipse, that is what is ellipse and where we use the actual elliptical shape. To understand ellipse, consider one cone, and whenever we cut that cone at an angle to its axis, so the shape is generated, it is an ellipse. So ellipse it is a closed curve, so that looks like a stretched circle, not a circle, it is a stretched circle. So ellipse is not just a shape in drawing, so it is a curve that found engineering, then daily life, in science also we found the elliptical shape. Here I give you some examples of elliptical shapes, like orbits of planets, then the satellites are elliptical shape, then elliptical gears are there, then cams are there in engine that are elliptical shapes, then elliptical bridges, then domes are elliptical shapes for strength and for aesthetic purpose also. Then we often use the satellite dish that are elliptical shape for better signal reception. Then elliptical reflection from headlights that are elliptical shapes. From here I will explain you the basics of ellipse and ellipse by arc of circle method. In ellipse there are the two axes. One is a major axis and another is a minor axis. So here for example I take a major axis 110 mm and minor axis 70 mm. That is always focus points are equidistant from origin. Means what? F1 and F2, these are the two focus points, and these two focus points are equidistant from O. Okay, so to draw the ellipse you have to find out the foci points first. So CF1 is equal to what? Half of major axis, that is 55 mm. So in compass take measurement 55 mm, place the metal point on C, then mark on the both side of the origin, then we will get the F1 and F2. So once we get the foci points we will easily draw the ellipse. So let's start our actual drawing. Before that I want to clear out the one thing, that in drawing faint marks are construction lines, so don't need to draw the dark, so they are just for a guidance, only a main outlines are darker. Okay, so firstly I started with a major axis. Draw major axis 110 mm, minor axis 70 mm. Mark major axis as a B and minor axis as a C, D, and make origin O. Okay, mark origin O. So then take a distance 55 mm, which is half of the major axis. So place metal point on C, mark on both the side of the origin, then we will get the focus points, that is F1 and F2. Next step is to divide the F1O roughly in equal parts. I equidistance that F1O in 4 points. Okay. Next, take a distance A to 1, means A1, place metal point on F1 and mark on both sides of the major axis. With the same distance, place metal point on F2 and mark on both sides of the axis. Next step is what? Next, again take a distance A to 2. Again follow the same procedure. Next, to intersect the previous arcs, take a distance B to 1. Place the metal point on F1 and F2 and intersect the previous arcs, and repeat the procedure for the remaining points. So we will get the points P1, P2, P3, P4. So with the help of French curve you can now draw the ellipse. So it is a part of the practice actually how your ellipse looks like, it is smooth or not. So make sure whenever you join the points, take only 2 points at a time, so you will get the smooth curve. So this is all about ellipse, what is ellipse, and where the actual elliptical shape is used, and how to draw the ellipse by arc of circle method. Hope you liked the session. Thank you.